Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. B. You will be watching a demo on how my online classroom works. First, I'm going to introduce a new word. We will pronounce it correctly. We will break it down to smaller sounds or syllables, and then we will discuss the meaning of that new word. Then we will read a book, a story, short story book. Okay. And first I will model reading. Then my student and I will read together. And then I will let my student read independently. And while I listen, the student is trying to read on her own. Okay? You ready? Now, hello. Our new word is realistic. This is how I pronounce it. Realistic. Let's spell it. Realistic. Realistic. Say it. Realistic. Very good. Let's break it down into smaller sounds or syllables so that we can say it better. Here we go. Realistic. Let's do it together. Get ready, begin. Realistic. Now let's all say those sounds. Realistic. Your turn. Realistic. Very good. Now the root word is real. What's that word? Real. Very good. That means it's correct. It's sensible. It's achievable. That's what it means. It's accurate. Very good. It's called real. Now the whole word is realistic. Let's say it together. Realistic. Very good. Now can you say it by yourself? Read it for me. Realistic. Good job. Very good. High five. All right. Now, today we're going to read a realistic story. And the title of our realistic story is My Lunch. And this is a piece of pizza. Pizza is real. This is a banana. Banana is real. And chocolate chip cookies, they are real. All right?